Okay, remember, a plus bi form. This is the real number. This is the imaginary part, right? Okay, so I have 8 minus 3i. I have 3 plus 4i. I'm going to honor the signs because this is an addition symbol. So what's a positive times a positive? A positive. What's a positive times a positive? A positive. If you guys are, if the addition symbol or the positivity is in between the two parentheses, you're not switching signs. Okay? All right. Next one though, this has the subtraction negative. You better switch the signs because I get 1 plus 6i. A negative times a negative is a positive. A negative times a negative is a positive. Wait, now I did that right. I thought I wrote 2i. Okay, keep going? Yes. All right. So then number 6, I'll take this kind of down here. So negative 6 plus 2i. This is just a positive I. And then this is subtraction to the 6i, so it's minus 6i. And then go ahead and do the arithmetic. Okay, so I get negative 6, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 6 is negative 3i. Look, if there's no shame in just grabbing a calculator and inputting that and verifying your arithmetic, right? Don't lose points on arithmetic when you guys have access to these calculators. Okay, 7 and 8, moving it. Okay. Oh, I thought you were going to ask. I thought you were going to come and talk to me. All right, multiply. Positive 42. Multiply negative 42i. Multiply negative 28i. Multiply, okay, positive 28, but if you guys are figuring out, some students start switching the signs and they'll make the 28 a negative 28 and they'll kind of skip the step of the I squared. If you guys have kind of figured that out, that's great. Sometimes students will then just line it up right underneath. So what I mean by that is, if say a student is foiling, what they'll do is when they get to this one, they're like, oh, positive 28, negative 28, and students will start setting it up already. Okay? All right, but let me stay here. All right, I squared is the equivalent to negative 1 as a product to the 28, right? You're multiplying with it. So I get here, my I-like terms become negative 70. And then what is 42 minus 28? Positive 14, and so that is my complex number a plus bi. So if you're over here, same thing. If you start working with the vertical format, you just have to understand that I squared is equivalent to negative 1. You have to know that. Okay, lastly, 8. Remember, that little square means it exists twice. There's 2 of the base. And so now you just distribute. Keep going. All right. Okay, it's going to be a positive 64i squared, but really it's going to be a negative 64, right? Because I squared is equivalent to negative 1. 64 times negative 1 is negative 64, right? So whatever negative 8 times negative 8, if it's positive, switch the sign. It's a real number that's going to combine with the other. And so grab a calculator. 36 minus 64 gives me negative 28. And then negative 48, negative 48. You're welcome to grab those calculator and verify. And I did negative 96. Don't make an arithmetic error tomorrow. Use the calculator. Double check your math. Remember, on these calculators, this is the negative symbol. Wait, let's see. This is for your negative. This is your subtraction. So if you're going to start the number off like it's a negative 3 plus 5, negative, say, 3 plus 5, use that. Or negative 3, oh, you can't see, minus 6. So if you have a negative in the beginning, you use this. You guys should practice. Okay, let me hit, let me stop this.